Yeah.
One of them was like on my right. It's like a little like a gap.
Nah. That was the dead end one.
That was the dead end one?
Yeah.
I mean, I just saw a hole in there, so I just kind of thought, hey.
But you can go explore them.
Yeah, I was trying to do that, and a troop kept telling me, go up, go up. Even my buddy
Everybody's got an idea what they want to do.
Yeah, my buddy got left.
Did you find the right way? Was it right?
I have suspicion that it might be correct.
You guys can come on down here. You can stand up in this hallway here
I mean,
till we get everybody in here.
It wasn't above the other rock.
You can go up here on this platform here. There's a lot of holes in through here that you can go and explore in. One of them loops around and comes back out again.
Wait, so we could just go? Keep it going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just if you come across a passage that goes up a hill, don't do that
So
one.
don't go anything that goes upwards.
Right. That's right. Yeah.
Let's go this way.
No. Freeze decision.
You can go this way?
Yeah.
Buddy.
Just avoid uphill.
Around this way.
Isn't that, is that not up good?
Just go ahead and explore.
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that. Let's go, Kyrie. Yeah. Bro, I'm just gonna go. Jack, you go with Kyrie. I'll go with that way. Let's go forward.
Is it that?
No, they're
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Is that a crawl?
He's literally just fine.
I like doing this, like
One,
sliding like this.
2,
What?
3, come on.
Just remember, don't go up a hill. If you find a passage that goes up, avoid that one. Come right back, okay?
Okay.
We could probably go that way. Sorry. I'm sorry right now.
There might be something down there. Don't tell me otherwise. No hill? There's a way down there.
All right.
I had this wrong.
So don't go down there?
Yeah, you can come down here. This is where I'm going to sit for a while. I just sent them off to go play.
Yeah, well, I'm out.
Wait, can I just go through here then?
Yeah,
Good.
Alright.
they're just exploring around a bit.
Oh, they're exploring, we don't have to go this way?
Yeah.
Oh, I might just come down.
Boy, for him to go. We don't want to get lost in there. So.
Who started the feet first one?
I don't know. Which way were we supposed to go?
Any way you want. Anyway,
Which way are we going? This way now?
they're just exploring around.
Oh, okay.
Just trying to keep them busy.
If I were the owner, I would put a big sign above the entrance of the cave that said, "Abandon all hope, ye who enter here."
Yeah. I guess the owner must have really loved this place.
Should we keep going or hang with you?
They're just exploring around.
Okay.
We're going to eventually come back this way, and
We'll probably go down that way.
yeah, we'll probably go that way. And up over this
I'm
way,
not
and
Kelly,
then
all right?
back again.
Good joke.
All right. We got everybody in here, huh?
Yep.
That's amazing. We haven't lost anybody yet, you know? It's
Power of yeah. No, I think they'll have to come
I
back.
was almost lost down that hole. That was a deep spot.
Yeah, apparently there was like
Maybe
another
wrong.
way where like they went down the MJ way. I don't want to call that the MJ way from now on. It was like that like very small like slide looking way that I think 3 of them went down.
I wonder what's down there that they're all
You
going to see.
go explore.
I just told her to go play. Okay. It's almost 2 o'clock. It's up to you guys. What do you want to do as far as keep going?
I mean,
What do you guys want to
We have to go back the way we came.
Yep, go back the way we came. Take about, well, not exactly. There's an easier way, but it would take about 15 minutes or so to get out from here. So it's up to you. There's still a lot more to explore,
I'm very hungry.
to mess around in.
I
I mean, we could do a little bit more, or we could do a lot more, or we could just call it quits.
should just wrap it up.
It's up to you guys.
I think we're already a little past where we thought we were going to be, right?
Yeah.
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 Let's,
we are.
let's just.
What's my reading?
Not,
He's had enough. You had enough?
yeah. Who's that?
So we gotta go back out. That way.
Yeah, and go back out that way, if you wanted to call it now, or otherwise we can keep on going back. There's a hallway there that they can play in for a while, and then swing back over and then head back out. Or stay in this hallway, keep on going, go down to the catacombs, crawl around there for a while. Try to find our way out of that one.
Catacomb sounds terrifying.
Johnny's coming.
I mean, if you wanted to, I could stretch it out to like 4 hours. It's up to you.
I mean, half of us are hungry, half of us might still want to do something, but half of us might just be done. So, this we should put it to a vote, I guess.
Let's call Tom and see how he's making out with our lunch.
Only you're gonna get a signal out here.
No. Yes, service.
Can you hear me? And also, if you wanted to, if some of them really want to do something, they could play in that hallway. I'll take them over here if some people just want to just sit here and chill for a while,
Chilling sounds good.
and I'll bring them back.
Should I put it to a vote or should we just, what do you want to
It's
do?
called Grand Tricks my hemorrhoids anyway.
There's one.
John, if you come around.
Somebody's all the way over there.
Aha, he found it.
Oh, there's back away from
There's a hole that goes through.
See if anybody's gonna go that way.
Hello, Rick.
Hey.
There he is. He made it.
Come on, yeah.
Come on up
How
this
was
way.
that? Oh, good.
Wait, Jack. Jack.
Brendan, what's up
What are you
there?
doing?
I was talking apparently the hole is
You can stand down there.
blend to this hallway.
And then the rest of them can come through.
This one. I didn't know that.
It's not here.
Step
Hey,
here,
y'all.
step right there.
Alright, come on.
They went down that way.
Get tight.
Come on out.
Crawl complete. I would hope it. I would hope it.
2, 3.
The way up
And a half.
this way.
I think we went
Go
the wrong
find
way.
out.
No, you guys are
Nah.
good.
Hey, Brian.
There's no right or wrong way.
Yeah. You come here for a second.
You guys are literally just exploring.
What is it?
Yes.
Is that there?
Did you want to try the next hallway, or do you want to?
There's still a couple of them down there.
Okay, it's up to you guys. Well, it's up to the adults what you want to do.
Oh my gosh. Is he the only one who decided that?
Jack and Kyrie.
Oh, okay.
And Riker's over
Riker, let me
there.
grab your hand. Wait, where's Riker?
He's back.
Somebody's still down
He's
there.
stuck in the
He's
oh.
stuck. Come on.
Right here.
Kyrie, let me grab your hand. Here.
Yeah, he's just taking a
Alright,
break.
well, there's standing room down this way.
Yeah, you can just come back here and you can relax.
Relax. Who's going to relax?
Are you the last one back here?
So there was like,
Yeah.
there's like wait, tell him about the thing.
and Rhoda.
Oh, this was. Hey, Jack. This was the loop he was talking about. Guys, come up there.
Guys, come down here a second.
Guys, come back down here.
Actually, MJ actually went the way.
Kyrie, you good? Get back.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Like about 2 miles on my ground. Thank you.
That was tight.
Sure was.
What's up?
More cave.
More cave.
I am covered in dirt. Apparently.
So is everyone else.
You're in a dirty game. I look like a real miner
Now, people have to get paid to do this. Some does. That's
Wait, did Riker make it back?
He's right there.
And they
Come this
take,
way.
they take
Oh no, he's
ores.
right
You
there.
did this?
He's right there. He's fine.
They take the
Why did you go
ores and then they just take
Was it already like
I
that?
think it was a
Yes,
little
it's
actually
after here.
small for me, I guess.
Watch out.
No, I moved, every time I.
And it's actually, people actually love doing this.
There's a bit of ground.
Me, however, not so much.
So
I'm not Jack.
it was hot.
I feel cold.
I feel
Hot.
like hot.
I don't know.
I
I think it's just because we were moving around.
Yeah, you work up a sweat doing this.
We crawled from over there all the way back there.
Yep.
That was nice.
Are you enjoying this so far?
Yeah, stuff in my eye.
Are we waiting here?
But are we gonna go back after this?
Continue.
We'll see.
You guys wanna do a little bit more?
Yeah. I'm hungry.
Wait,
I'm gonna do a little bit.
You want to continue or?
Let's continue.
You did say there was an easy way back though.
We still have to wait for the people to
Alright,
scoot
I wanna
down.
continue. I wanna go a little bit further.
A little bit further?
Start looping back.
And then reevaluate then? And see- Okay, listen up real quick.
Two
No, it's
people?
still down there.
There's nobody down there.
Yes, it is.
Let me see, let me get
Well,
that here so I can.
No.
Who else do you think's back there?
All right, if we go down here,
Everybody?
Wait, where's Rafe?
Hello?
Is right here.
Right.
Okay, great.
if we go down here, there's a couple of passages that you may want to try to play with. Right at the top of this little crest here is on the left-hand side. I call it a rabbit hole. It's like this big around. Easy just to slide. I slide head first in your next hallway. There's another hallway that's bigger than this one.
Does it go up?
This one does not. Okay? If you go down further and you go down a little dip, again on the left-hand side, there's a hole that looks like an old-fashioned key. It's real wide on the top and it narrows on the bottom. Okay? It's called a keyhole. Easy. It's kind of fun to go through. It's a little bit snug. You go through like on your side and you twist and then you go up to get out of it. You can't just go straight through it like this one here. You have to go up and climb out of the keyhole. The easy way is this way here. Okay? Once we get over there, oh, do me a favor. If you're going to go through the keyhole, just wait till I get up on the other side so I can get video of you guys coming out, because it's a lot of fun to laugh at later. Get over in that hall. It's called Hanging Rock Hall. It's a big hallway with big rocks. Some of them hanging from the ceiling, some of them just piled up. There's a lot of holes on the side that you can go and explore in and go up in. You can go all the way down the end of this passage, up a little incline, and it splits off. You can go either way and just explore. And then eventually we're all going to come back and be in this general area between this hallway and right over on the other side of this rock here. Okay? And then we'll decide what you want to do from there. Make sense? Okay, so everybody has
Who do we leave behind?
a lot of options to. If you just want to hang out here, that's an option too. Okay? So I'm going to go get pictures, and then you guys can go on up and see if you can find the keyhole.
I think I could find the key.
Hey, MJ, do you have a buddy? MJ, do you have a buddy?
MJ.
Whoever's behind me.
Okay, so we're group buddies. We're collective buddies. Oh, there you go.
This is the rabbit hole. The keyhole's down further.
keyhole?
Yes, just hold on a minute. Let me get set up. Boy, that's smart.
I'm waiting for him. He said to
Okay, come on through. Give it a shot. Let's see what you can do.
Oh, it gets worse. It gets better.
Don't tell him it gets better. Tell him it's really nasty.
Oh wait, no, it actually gets worse. Yes. Oh my god. It's horrible.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I might die here. Guys, I don't even know if we can get out.
Are you good?
Yeah. No, I'm dying. Oh, sweet.
Very good. Very good. All right. Here, you can play anywhere in this hallway you want. You all right? Come on through.
I'm good. Oh, all these roots all the way down here. The hell? How do we...
There you are. I see you.
So,
Very good.